The property matrix can be used to display selected properties for existing objects. In this video, we will create a property matrix for this diagram. We would like the matrix to display all the business processes on this diagram and certain attributes or properties of these processes. Specifically, we would like to see the short description, responsible, owner, and resources attributes of each business process. The Property Matrices menu option can be found under Tools, Matrices, Property Matrix. The first dialog is prompting you to choose the type of template you want to look at. This selection will appear as the rows on your matrix. In our example, we are interested in looking at business processes. The next dialog is prompting you to choose which attributes or properties of the process you would like to display. In our example, we decided we would like to see the short description, responsible, owner, and resources attributes. To make multiple selections, hold down your Control key while scrolling through the list and selecting attributes. The next dialog will allow you to filter which business processes you want to include in your matrix. In our example, we want to look at business processes that are included in our diagram. To ensure that the matrix is updated each time it is opened, we will choose rules-based. Next, we will choose to see the processes that are used by our diagram. The final step is to give the matrix a name. In the matrix, you can double-click on any cells and start modifying the properties of the business processes. We can close the matrix by closing the tab. If we modify properties to the processes from the diagram, such as opening this process and including a resource, this modification will appear in the matrix the next time it is opened. We can locate our matrix in the repository by looking under the matrix template and selecting the desired matrix. We can now see all the selected properties of the existing objects as they currently exist.